What are your options to get n8n? We have several options. First option, depending upon the need and the budget, the easiest option is to go with n8n Cloud. There are various pricing plans, but it's usually $25 per month to $20 per month if you do an annual plan. It's very easy to set up. You can get started, and we are going to see how in the lab. The second option is Cloudbean, which is a VPS provider. There are a lot of VPS providers out there. However, Cloudbean is very stable. I have been using it for my own production setups, and I'll show you exactly how you can get 40% discount on entire year of Cloudbean usage. So thanks to Vikram, who is the CEO of Cloudbean, for helping us with that. And the last but not the least is going to be the local installation. I'll put a video on how you can locally install your own n8n using Docker containers. And we are going to use ngrok for HTTPS because without that, a lot of webhooks and URLs will not work. I want to make sure that you guys are set for success, so I will put that video as well. And we are going to do hands-on on everything so that you guys can do it step by step and follow along with me.